Mark III VR6 parts just arrived. Let's see what we got. Well, there it is, guys. I picked up a water pump kit for the VR6 and a thermostat kit from Euro Tuning. They included the G12 with it. I got a new belt, new tensioner, new pulley. Got all the O-rings. Thermostat housing. Housing cover. New thermostat. New water pump. And then finally, we're going to be switching to the metal crack pipe. The Nothelle Golf is pretty much all original, 97,000 miles, and hasn't had too much maintenance work done to it in its lifetime. And we're going to give this thing a revamp as far as the coolant system and the heater core. So I picked up this G Plus Performance Parts silicone hose kit for the VR6. It was about $100 on eBay. We're going to throw that on with new water pump, etc. Full parts list and links where to buy down in the comments below. In one of the next videos coming up, we'll have an install video. Stay tuned for that.